Honda CRV, blinking, no coil detector, should be immobilizer fault. So now replace a new coil. Obvious, this is the original. Now should have, yeah, you see the coil detector. Coil is blinking. This is blinking, of course. Obviously, we need to do coding. Now I need to go to coding. So go to the red key, Honda CRV, the chassis number, control unit, on. There are many options. This is immobilizer replacement. Go to immobilizer replacement. Ask how many key. I have only one key, so I just put one. Ignition off. Off. Put the chassis number. This is correct. Turn on. Turn on this new same key. Now, no more blinking. Motorcycle, yes. Turn off. Turn on. Success. Turn on. Check power key. Okay, start. Enjoy.